How to contact Binance customer support. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can contact Binance customer support. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your Binance application and make sure that you're logged in. So once you land on the home page, if you navigate to top right corner, there is a small headphone icon. So simply tap on that. That will take you to the Binance support. Here, you will find various helpful articles that will help you address some of your problem on Binance. But if you want to directly contact to Binance support, you have to scroll all the way to the end. And at the very end, there is an option as Get Support, so tap on it. Now you will land on Binance Assistant. Here you can ask anything regarding the Binance. Simply tap on search or ask question text bar, and here you can ask the questions to Binance Assistant. After that, Binance Assistant will help you back and address your problem on Binance. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.